Good day, everyone. I am assigned to present our group activity on the subject Research in Education. My name is Joanne Retuta, and my group mates are Marisol Laos, Vanessa May Pugal, and Rosemary Panglao. Our group created a concept map for the nature and fundamental of research for better understanding and how it informs the classroom. I hope that as we go with the discussion, you will be able to learn something. So now, let's proceed to the nature of research. First nature of research is scientific. Next, objectivity, definiteness, verifiability, generality, predictability. We also have modifiability, and lastly, systematic. The first nature of research is scientific, which means the systematic investigation of scientific theories and hypotheses. Hypothesis is a single assertion, a proposed explanation of something on available knowledge for something yet to be explained. It is systematic because it contains rules, principles, methods, and techniques for conducting the research. This can help the researcher to make research easily. Next nature of research is objectivity. It is a research that is quite objective in its approach and is almost free from biases, prejudices, and subjectivity. It is also personal, allows the facts to speak for themselves and not by influence by the personal values and biases of the researcher. It is important to have exact objective in conducting research so that so that you can easily determine your purpose why you conduct that certain research. Let's now proceed to definiteness, which means research is characterized by definiteness in its process as well as product. Here are the modes and measures for collection and organizing information or data. It makes sense to begin collecting existing data if you identify data gaps and if you have the resources. Testing and verifying the collected information for arriving the conclusion are all well planned and definite. Educational research has definiteness as it is directed towards a direction and on a specific topic. Next, verifiability. Verifiability is a research lays emphasis on the proper verification of the collected information, data, or facts. Here, nothing is accepted and derived unless verified through adequate observation, tests, and experimentation. Research that you can verify for yourself, not in the sense of verifying scientific conclusions, which often can only be done many years later. All research should be verifiable. A paper is supposed to provide sufficient details about the work that was done to enable competent peers to verify the reasoning and repeat experiments. Let's now proceed to the generality, which means The conclusions or results derived from the scientific method show a marked characteristic of generality. First, it means that inductive reasoning and process is needed in making generalization and of the particular happenings on events. And secondly, the principles, laws, and theories established through scientific methods are quite universal, having generalized application to similar situations. Generality provides the evaluation of the study and its significance to know the quality of research. Next is predictability. The results obtained through scientific method are characterized with the ability of predicting the future outcomes of the things or events. In a given situation, under the known circumstances, what would happen to a person, object, or phenomenon can be reasonably predicted through the properly derived conclusions or results of a scientific procedure. Modifiability. Reach or results obtained through research are never final, absolute, and static. They are always open to verification, observation, and experimentation. Modifiability always allows changes to the results of the research. Research will never be modified if there is no concrete or final verification of the study. Next, systematic. Systematic search for pertinent information on specific topic. It is systematic because it has a step-by-step process. It starts from problem formulation, literature review, hypothesis formulation, research design, data collection, data analysis, and at report writing. It only focuses on the relevant information of the study where the data that collected is applicable for the specific topic. Let us now proceed to the fundamental of research. It increases our scientific knowledge base for research. For example, a study looking at how caffeine consumption impacts the brain. It also an experimental or theoretical work undertaken primarily to acquire new knowledge. For example, an investigation looking at what weather stress levels influence how often students engage in academic cheating. Next, it has no immediate or planned application, may later result in further research of an applied nature. For example, a study assessing whether men or women are more likely to suffer from depression. That is the fundamental of research. There are three benefits of fundamental research. Number one, acquisition of new knowledge. By doing experimental or theoretical work, it provides sort of information and prior knowledge. Number two, social benefits to society. And last, economic gains. How it informs classroom decisions. It informs the classroom by providing advanced knowledge and strong basis of information. It also helps us to inform different factors that we may consider in making decisions. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.